So this is our KitchenAid. We've been using this one for years now. We got it as a wedding present actually, and it's lasted quite a long time. How you use it is you will get this bit off here, you just twist, so you come like that, and you'll see here it's got the bits at the bottom here. See that a bit better there. So it stays in place when it is actually stirring. So put that back on. To take the heads off, these bits here, you'll get different heads you can buy or will come with the package. Is you push it up towards the machine, turn, it comes off. To get it back on, you just turn this bit here towards, there's a wee metal bit that sticks out here, and then turn it again. So all you do is you go like that, turn up, and that's it done. To bring it down, you just push it down. You just unlock with, there's a wee key here at the side. So just press the wee lever here and then push it down. And then to turn on, all you need to do, there we go, is over this side, is I'm just going to turn it around for you. As you can see here, you've got different ones here. So I've got it unplugged just now, but because it's quite loud when it starts. But you can go right up to a scale of 10, and that's how quickly and how hard it is going to mix the ingredients for you. It also comes with things like this for different types of mixers. You can buy more heads. You can buy different colours. It is heavy, which is a good thing because if you're mixing, you don't want this to move about. KitchenAid is probably one of the best brands you can buy, so I thoroughly recommend. I think you'll really enjoy this.